We are in the girls' locker room. And there's Kristen and Zoe and Victoria and Yadi walking away. And we are just... What is that? Is that a dying cat? There's Yadi. Pleasant.
There's no blood in there this time.
Oh. Let's check my favorite thing. Okay. Jesus. Ew. Cloudy toilet water. There I am. Oh. Where are you going? I'm not leaving.
What are you doing?
Recording a video. Hi. Don't walk on. Ow. This is the beautiful shower.
People get naked in there.
Oh yeah, and they take the clothes off and they do naughty things. Just kidding. No, they don't. Gee. Oh, you want to see what time it is?
With the help of me, Kristen.
I actually can't tell you what time it is. It's okay. We're allowed to be now. Inside out. Lock the back door. Oh, they're in here. Jason Ray Bone. It's Kanye, just like Akon. Those bitches be
What were you doing?
Nothing.
Yeah. No.
Do you know how to braid hair?
Kind of.
I need an exact answer, man.
Well, I don't know how to do sun braids. Ready, guys?
No, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again so the camera can tell. No, see, look, she changed. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I should ask one of them. Comb. Oh, yay. Should I bring the camera over there? Hey! No. Hi.
It's only on the bus.
Do you know how to braid hair?
Yeah.
Do you think you could braid my hair for me, like a loose braid?
Yeah.
Oh. So weird.
Where?
Just like that, like down, like, yeah, yes. Hi, Zoe. Oh, Joy.
Here.
Oh, shoot.
Just a little braid? Hold on. Okay, here.
Okay, then.
My avocado and the tank top do that too. They're so long. No, but
Yeah.
I'm just like filming your boobs.
I heard my name. What'd you say?
You were taking videos of you stripping.
No, really, what'd you say? No, what'd you say?
I'm watching that video after and make sure you did. Don't cut that out.
What'd you say? Watch when I finish this bitch's braid.
She's giving you a head start. She's coming. She's coming.
Who you talking shit for, huh? Who you talking shit for? Who you talking shit for that?
Did you get that?
Yeah.
And reporting today live. How girls fight in locker rooms. Round 1. Yeah.
This has been ABC News.